Today is 23rd of February 2016. It's Ashley Johnson's first anniversary. Our hero, Australian brother Ashley Johnson, was in solidarity with the Kurdish people in Rojava. He martyred for humanity because he rejected the brutality and killing that the ISIS are committing against the Kurdish people, especially Yazidi, Assyrians, Armenians, Christians, women, children and all other living things that don't like their black flag. His quick death is a message to the NATO and United Nations silence about ISIS crime. Also, it is a message for those countries supporting ISIS criminal activity and still a member of NATO. Our Australian brother Ashley Johnson joined the YPG Kurdish forces, the well-organized People's Protection Units, to break out the whole world's silence on ISIS, because he knew the silence about ISIS is participation in the ISIS criminal activity. May God bless Ashley Johnson, his family and the Australian people for their sacrifice. Rest in peace, brave warrior. There are no words that can value your sacrifice and humanity. You will never be forgotten. Kurds in Rojava will build you, and Reese Harding a resistance statue in Kobani, not too far from the Australian Anzacs in Gallipoli. Reported by Botin Kurdistani, for RH News Agency.